All right, Christian Rivera here, Classic Cars of Palm Beach. Doing a walk around video on this 2020 E450 4MATIC wagon. This thing is really cool. But again, these videos are designed to point out any flaws or blemishes whatsoever so that there's no surprises when we ship these cars all the way around the country. It's real important that our customers know what they're getting. So we're going to start right away with the front bumper. Front bumper seems to be in great shape. A couple little tiny spots right there. Headlights in great shape. Grill looks fantastic. Second headlight looks great. Hood looks great. Really no major chips. No scratches, dents, or dings on the hood. Front fender looks awesome. Front wheel on the driver's side, no curb rash. Tires are probably about 85–90%. Side view mirror looks fantastic. Driver's side as a whole looks great. No scratches, dents, or dings. Rear wheel on the driver's side looks awesome as well. This is a matching set of Pirellis all the way around. Tires in the rear look brand new. Rear bumper looks fantastic. Tiny little scuff right there. Tail light looks real good. Second tail light looks real good. This car is super clean. Don't exactly know what's here, but there we go. Looks like some additional headrests. Very clean in the cargo area. Rear quarter panel looks fantastic. On the passenger side, rear wheel looks great. No curb rash there either. It's a matching set of tires all the way around. Passenger side looks great also. No scratches, dents, or dings. Side view mirror looks real good. Actually got a tiny little scuff right here. That's about it. Front wheel looks good. No curb rash. Glass looks excellent. No chips. No stars, no bursts, no cracks. Roof looks really good as well. Driver door looks great. All the buttons look excellent. Very nice. It's got the Burmeister stereo system. Driver's seat looks fantastic. Little to no wear whatsoever. Entrance plate looks really good as well. Dashboard looks fantastic. No sun damage, no cracks or anything like that. There is no smoke smell, no mold or mildew smell, no pet or dander smell in this car. Odor free. Smells like a new car still. Let's see, it has lane departure, blind spot. Does have navigation. Adaptive cruise control. Have heated seats. You can see the seats are just stunning in this car. The interior is absolutely beautiful. Headliner's in great shape. Rear seats look practically brand new. Quick look under the hood and the rear seats, and that'll conclude our video. driver's seats look just as beautiful as the front.